Hi, this is Elizabeth with WTI, and these are the Command medium wire hooks. Now, Command are super user-friendly, that meaning that you don't need any tools to attach these hooks to your walls. So if you're looking for some new hooks but you don't want to have to use tools and you want it to be even rental friendly as well, Command strips are the best way to go. These ones are the medium weight, so they hold up to 2 pounds, so they're going to be for some of your lighter projects or for lightweight decorations around your house. And the hook moves up and down, so it gives a little bit of a give depending on what you need to use for hanging your different objects. And also it's clear. That way it doesn't take away from the color of your room or any sort of decorations you have around the house. The clear is a really nice option that you have. You get 10 hooks and 12 Command strips, and you just attach it to your wall, and if you no longer want them there, you are able to detach the Command strip from the wall. Although you cannot reuse the strips, you can reuse the hooks. So once you've used it once, throw them away, but you can keep the hook and you can always buy replacement strips if you want. If you're looking for an easy way that requires no tools, but you can add some extra decorations or anything that you need to hang up on your wall, these clear Command strip hooks are gonna be the thing that you want. And that's my point of view.